Hello YouTube. Today I am going to tell you how to install Android 2.3 on your PC. For that first you need the Android SDK, and you can download it from the developers site. For that go to Google and type Android SDK. Then click the first link. Man, it is little bit slow, so it's happening like this. From here you have to download this. If you have Windows, then go for this one, installer that .exe, and if you have Mac OS, then go for this one, and for Linux go for this one. But the installation process will be the same for all. First download this, just click on it, and it will be downloading. But I have downloaded it, so I won't download it again. The second thing you need is Java, which because Android emulator works with Java, so you need that. Just type Java JDK and select the first link. Gets pop up like this. Just go to this one, Java Platform JDK 7. Don't select any other because you will be needing this for the specific work you have selected. Now select the accept license agreement and select this one. If you have an 32-bit PC, then download this one, the last second, and if you have a 64-bit PC, then download the last one. I have first downloaded, so I won't download it again. Now keep both the installers at your desktop and install this JDK version of Java. Then go for the installer, install, next, install. It will be soon installed on the system. Next, then select the start SDK manager. It will take some time. It will be fetching the sources from the Google server. You have to wait a little bit. Just a bit. Oh god. Window pop-ups. Just select this SDK platform Android 2.3.1. I am going for this one because Android 3.0 which I have installed, so it's not in the list. It is a buggy version, so just select this one and click install. It will first download the Android SDK tools. If you are having a latest version, it won't download that one. So after that installation, it will install the Android 2.3, that is the Gingerbread. Then after that, after it gets installed, so it's a time for creating a virtual device which will serve as the SD card for your Android emulator. Type here anything of choice of your name. I select Android. Now after the target, select 2.3.3, that is an Gingerbread. Then select in the SD card, select how much amount of data you want to store, means the size of the SD card. I select for the time 2 GB. Now let it be like the same. Then in device RAM, just select 400 MB and select create AVD. I have created one first self, so I won't do it again. Now it will be looking like this. Then select start from the right menu, then select launch. This, it's a default view. It's a good view because you'll be having all the shortcut key on the right side and the screen on the left side. Just wait, it will take nearly 1 minute to load because this is the first time. The boot up screen is loading. Hold a minute. You will be having the Android 2.3. The latest version is Honeycomb 3.2. It's fast but a little buggy because it's the latest version and not that stable as Gingerbread. The load up screen will be looking like this. Just click this and drag it as it's the Android's default lock, and you have the Android in the front of you. You can play around. Look, you have everything. This market won't be included because Android emulator doesn't have the market feature. I have installed the app. I'll tell you how to install the app in few minutes. First, you can see the browser. It's the default browser of Android. You can type in. First I've used Google, so Google comes in. The website gets loaded. You can do anything. You can search, you can play around, you can go to any website of your choice. And if you get want to go to, means if you want to go back, just click this button. You can go back. And if you want to go directly to the home, press the home and home button. Now you can see the settings yourself. If you want, now if you want to install the applications on your emulator, just go to command prompt and start it. Just type, for instance, just go to the, now just go to my computer, Android SDK, and by default you would have installed in the program files Android SDK. Then you can find this one. Just go to the folder tools, copy the URL or the address and type cd and just paste the URL and select OK. Now if you want to install any application or anything like that, you can just copy the application here. And first I have copied this one. File means the application file. I have copied this one. Just copy the full with the extension .apk. Now go to your terminal, write adb install. Now just paste the name of the application, click enter. It will take some time, nearly 1.5 minutes or 1 minute. if it's a bigger one, because I've chosen a 6 MB file. It'll take some time. You will get a message like this, and success. No, I'm waiting for it. Success. Now just go to your Gingerbread, and you can see an application here. You can start and play it again. It will take some time. Blue. Looks nice. As you are playing the system, it won't give the same feeling as same feeling as your Android phone. It's a free version, so ads will be seen. Now just close it by going this. Yes. Again press the button and you'll be out of the game. Now I've taught you how to install applications. Now some applications will be running in landscape mode. So how to go to landscape mode? Just press the Ctrl and F11 button on your keyboard. You can see it's just like rotating your Android phone. You have all the features. Now if you go to menu, it will look something like this. Greater view than the default view.